Okay guys, it is officially 2:20 and we're finally getting on the road. I think the drive is like 20 minutes. We literally took our sweet ass time getting ready because we fucking could and we don't have shit else to do. But yeah, we just paid for our lift tickets and I think he paid for the snowboarding boots and gear and all that shit. So yeah, I will show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all my ski fit too whenever I get there because it's still cute and it's still slaying, you know. I bought the ski mask, but like it looks stupid as hell on me, so I probably won't be wearing that because I look so dumb. Like, don't make sense. But yeah. Oh yeah, I also had to make sure. Hold up. A nigga had her handy dandy inhaler because you know a nigga got asthma and ain't trying to die skiing and shit. But yeah, like I said, that's it. I will show you guys my outfit and I will show you guys the mountains whenever we get there. Hey guys, we're here. It's actually really not that cold. Not like an unbearable cold. I think it's like 30 degrees, so it's not that bad. So yeah, right now we're gonna go pick up our snow boots and then I guess get a lift and go up to the mountains. Kind of scared, kind of nervous, but whatever. Is that funny? How is that funny?
Go ahead.
Never listening to you.
Look at that snowboard champ. Yeah, snowboard champ. What it do? Maya, what are you doing? How does that happen?
Oh my god, this is scary. I got that. That shit lost me like 8%.
Huh?
You lost me 8% waiting on you. Nah, just over there. Come on. And I got my glove on so my hand is cold.
There you go.
Alright guys, we are officially back at the hotel from, what the fuck is this shit called? We're back at the hotel from Thunder Ridge Ski Resort, Snow Resort, whatever. What the fuck? Snowboarding was literally fun as hell. I fell hella time, so did he. I'm extremely tired though. From like, I'm gonna insert the video just because you said that. I'm gonna insert the video just because you said that. But yeah, anywho, it was fun. It was tiring though. Did y'all have fun?
Ew.
Did
Ew.
y'all have fun? Oh yeah, guys, it's our anniversary. In case y'all wonder,
Ew.
we've been together 5 years.
Ew.
Unfortunately, but yeah. Yeah. Right now we just got some Uber Eats. And I got some cake from the little grocery store.
Okay, Papa. Yeah, come on, Dilly. We got holes today.
Don't think I forgot about him, mister.
Don't worry, Papa.